Yo, what's up, Learn Machines? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I just want to show you guys some of the money I've been making so far this month. It's only 8 days into the month, and that's $29,000 right there. Let me refresh the screen real quick. Takes a minute. Boom! Sorry, guys, my computer's slow, but okay, there we go. Everything is still the same as you can see right there. And how I'm doing this, guys, is I'm just promoting some of the top offers here and other offers I've tested over time, and just casually running, I'm just casually running old campaigns right now, and some of my most successful campaigns right now. I'm not scaling super fast. I'm just staying consistent with it because I have certain ads that are crushing it and certain ad targetings that are crushing it right now with traffic sources like Traffic Junkie, ExoClick, and Arrow Advertising. And so if you guys want to know how to do this too, you can learn how. Obviously, it's an extra income for me to teach you guys how to, do this too. You don't have to have crack revenue, but you can have, as long as you have like a ClickBank account or anything. Like, I'm an expert marketer. I know what works. I know how to actually make money online promoting offers. It doesn't matter what the offer is. Usually, you can make money promoting any offer. There's always a strategy that works for any offer. It's just knowing how to do it, which is the key. You could do free traffic or paid traffic, but you have to know how to do each one of those. So let me just give you guys a rundown. I haven't done this in a while of all the things I offer you guys, because this is some of the most value you could possibly get, because the most value that you can get is behind a paywall. And this is just the extra value I can give you guys to stay motivated to actually give you value, because I wouldn't be teaching the stuff I've taught for the past few years in my personal brand unless, I was incentivized to do it as I help people, okay? I'm here to help you win, and currently I have a super discounted coaching call for 30 minutes. People are getting insane value from the coaching calls. It's only $500 right now. Literally, it should be like $5,000 right now or more for 30 minutes. Because if you're making money already right now, I can literally make you make way more money. No guarantees, but the knowledge I give you, if you implement it every single time, the knowledge I give every single person who's ever talked to me in the coaching call, they can literally make 10x plus on their investment. Confidently, I can say that. And it's only $500 right now, not freaking $5,000 or anything. As for the new adult marketing secrets, this is an updated program from this program. They both are sold separately, but they both are very necessary if you want to know as much as you can about the adult marketing industry. This right here is the Done For You system. It's basically a bunch of Done For You systems where you can basically plug and play and copy and paste to start making money super quickly. And it should be $1,000, but I made it super discounted so anyone can get into it and start making money. That's what it's all about. No limits method has literally no limits to it. It's a powerful method. The golden ticket method, I should be charging $10,000 for, because I make $10,000 every single week just from the method, this method alone. This right here, just adult marketing, I literally have made millions of dollars from adult marketing so far. This is another adult marketing program where I teach more methods and important things regarding adult marketing. This right here is the Instant Money Blueprint. And this is a powerful, powerful method where you can basically make instant money on demand, essentially. And it sounds hypey and everything, but I really like, the names behind these type of products that I came up with. Even though the methods are like crazy, crazy powerful, but I can't like say a boring name. Like I have to say crazy, awesome name like Instant Money Blueprint. The passive income juggernaut, it goes hand in hand with this one, and they both are equally powerful. I've had people who paid $500, $200, $100 for each one of these ones before I lowered the prices over time. This one right here, this is Sales God. I got a lot of feedback about this one, that people love this one. Out of all my programs, this is one of their favorite ones. Like, I got a lot of customers just like emailing me, telling me, hey dude, this one's one of my favorite ones. And it's only $47. This one right here, I've made most of my money in my life from YouTube. And so I talk everything about YouTube algorithm and everything like that. I'm no pro at building a personal brand though, okay? That will be something I'll be an expert at over as time goes on. But I have a huge cash cow channel, has millions of subscribers, millions of views every freaking month. And I can tell you right now that I know what I'm talking about when it comes to YouTube, but not when it comes to a personal brand. So I share what I know about growing a cash cow YouTube channel here. And I teach how you can monetize with Sweepstake offers and CPA marketing with this program right here. They're literally only $47. I want everyone to have access to this stuff. I'm not trying to charge thousands of dollars per course. Okay, when I first started, I did that because I had less followers. And I listened to a powerful mentor of mine where he was like, yeah, dude, when you first start and you only have so much attention, you should charge higher. But as you get more attention over time, you just lower the prices. And so, anyway, this is the big rundown of all the stuff I offer here. Super discounted spy tool. It's a one-time fee of $37, and I basically show you videos inside of the platform, so you're able to know like what are the most predictable type of ads that are the biggest campaigns, what's working inside the industry. Because I used to have it be monthly, where people would basically be able to log in with my login, and I got rid of that because they tracked too many logins, so they just shut it down. Okay, and so we can still do it, but this is like the cheaper version for you. And you get powerful discount codes inside when you purchase this, if you want to actually pay for the monthly subscription. This is past coaching calls, just some of them. I have way more coaching calls, but I threw in a whole bunch here for only $17, so you get a ton of value inside here. This is just like a huge, massive YouTube growth book bundle, okay? Just a ton of value inside book form. And then, all these cheaper products are very, very powerful. 25 Bias is hugely powerful. Making money with influencer marketing is crazy. So let's keep going. These are lower ticket products. You can choose these and look at these as you go, but they're definitely worth your money. Like, I really, really lowered the price on these ones. Like, this one right here is insanely valuable. This one right here, insane. This one right here, insane. So let's keep going. And this one is one that hasn't sold as much, but it's basically a combination of, it's like the thing I go to for the best knowledge all in one place. I put it together. I made it myself. It's a combination of some of the best infographics, best knowledge, all in one sheet, one page. Thank you so much for watching, and peace out, learning machines.